All right, good afternoon or good morning, whenever you might be watching this. This is just a very quick kind of tutorial video on how to access your online textbook, just like a nice little refresher on how that works. So if you go to the Austin website, so the www.austin.k12.mn.us, when you go to that page to access your textbook, you are going to first go down to go up to the family tab, which is at the top of your page. You are going to scroll down until you see the McGraw-Hill curriculum, at which point you are going to click on it, and it's going to redirect you to your page. Now, this is where you're going to see a couple different things that might occur. The first one is if you already have an account, you're already signed up, it's going to ask you to sign in. You're going to sign in with your information, and then it'll redirect you to this page, which means you're sitting in really good shape. If you do not have the textbook, or if you're not signed up for it, you're going to see a window that appears that says enroll or join class. If that is the case, where it's asking you to enroll, it's asking you to join the class, whatever that might be, this is going to be the textbook code that you are going to use. So where it says enter the class code, or enter the whatever that 12-digit item might be, it is this MMLSZ8KQZFHO. And if you're watching this on the YouTube video, you can go ahead and pause the video and you can copy this over into your link or into that tab, and then you will click join. After you have clicked join, it might ask you to sign in with your username and your password. It's the same exact username password that you would use to sign into your computer. And then it'll bring you to this page, at which point you should be good to go and set up to use this tomorrow. Once again, if you have any questions or if there's any issues or concerns, please let me know and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. All right, have a good day.